This week I tried implementing a number of features into my voxel engine, which you can find on GitHub, with the binaries included. I'll provide a link in the description. The first feature I tried to implement was trees, which you can see me testing here right now. I was going for Minecraft style trees, but the cross on top wasn't working. One of the other features I implemented was framerate independent movement, and removing the feature that meant that looking down would cause you to go downwards, or looking up would cause you to go upwards. Here you can see the first functional trees. They don't really care about chunk borders, but do count as part of the chunk mesh that the trunk is within. I also implemented transparency, but later removed it due to the fact that it did not look good. You can see that the trunk seems to be invisible through the leaves. And here you can see me trying to fix it by messing around with OpenGL's blend functions. I then just put it back to how it was just previously, and that was the release of version 0.8. Work on Simplex Noise generation. It didn't work out in the beginning. I'm actually planning on rewriting this in C++ just for the sake of it. I want to transition to C++, and so I need to improve my skills in the language, and rewriting projects in another language is one of the best ways to learn the language. Using a really good noise library that creates multiple different types of noise. It's called Fast Noise Lite. It works for Java, C++, C#, high-level shading language, JavaScript, and C. There's a link in the description for anyone who would like to use it. So on the third day, I went about making the terrain look nicer by making water filling blocks out below a certain white level. I also did the same with sand, but only between two white levels to create beaches near the water. The current method of filling in with water is a little bit slow. I created an extra for loop, so I'm going to need to optimize that at some point. also set the world size to a fixed size, and also made it so that chunks would be loaded independent of the camera's position, because before doing so, it would create artifacts with chunks not lining up if it was dependent on the camera's position. I still need to make the tray loading around the player instead of from the edge of the world. I also tried going by adding axis line bounding box collision detection and correction, but this is still a work in progress and may not even make it in the next update.